guys, we're here at Lexus BGC. No? So, in here, Lexus. Okay, are we gonna buy a new car? Maybe. Tingnan natin. Ganda ng mga cars ng Lexus. Oh, this one. Okay. I'll show it to you guys. Nay, bilhin mo na yan. Ang ganda niyan. So, this one, I like. Okay. It's the Lexus RC350. Okay. Tingnan mo the glass. Hello. And say hello, Kuya Kendrick. Kuya Kirby. Say hi. Hi guys. Ito na ba ang bibili nating bagong car? It looks nice sa interior.
Same naman.
Same naman sa car natin dati. Oh, okay. Pero tingnan mo. Ang ganda, oh.
Ang ganda na.
Oh, ang ganda, di ba?
Maganda ka.
Yun, oh. And guys, maybe our next car would be this RC350. Okay, let's check the inside. Yours. Okay. Yan ang buttons niya. Lahat, pati windows nandun na. Leather seats. Racing. Inside, let's see. Oh. Medyo masikip lang sa akin.
Yun, sa gilid, Dok. Sa gilid po yata.
Ah. Okay. Ayan.
Wala pa yata. Yan.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
ayan. This is the steering, guys. Controls. Okay, tingnan mo. Analog watch. Aircon. Shift knobs. Para sa McDonald's. Take out delivery take out mo. Okay. So, at the back, it's actually quite nice also at the back. Plus, you have this one, a sunroof na pwede mo i-close, and then you could also open just like yung dati kong Ford Escape. Nice. Actually, it has a start and stop. Okay. Very nice car. I like it. Also nice. Ganda din. Sleek. Very sleek on design. Tires are about 18 inches, I think, no? It's the Lexus LS 500. Nice car. Okay. It's open. Yes, it is. Tignan natin sa inside. Interiors. Or leatherette. Okay. Nice. Inside. Looks pretty good. Okay. This one is the same, kaya lang mas malaki ang room sa likod. Tingnan mo. Oh, walk around. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo. This one, the RX. Design. Let's check the inside. Okay, may panel niya. Red against black. Okay, that one is supposed to be probably the cam. Okay, ganda ng seats. Tingnan natin sa likod. Naluwag. Maluwag siya. Okay. For the family man, siyempre, malalaking cars like this one. The Lexus GX. Okay? So, the Lexus GX is actually a mid-size SUV. You can see here. Ikutin natin siya. Yeah, EX460. That's very nice. Oh, LED displays, LED panels. So, tingnan natin inside. Okay. So, room mirror. The controls. Okay. Here. Okay. Tapos sa likod. There you go. Ang luwag. Pang family. Okay. Maybe this one. Looks good. So, hello guys. Again, we're at Lexus BGC looking at cars. Dito sa Lexus Cars. Well, ito is good enough for the family. Ang luwag ng space. No, mahaba yung front page. So, yeah, looks nice. Okay. So Ken, ito yung magandang kotse, di ba? Ayan, yan ang bibili natin. Yeah, you like it? Huh? Thumbs up? Yan natin. Video natin. Okay, you see? So this is the Lexus LC 500. Ganda ng design.
LC
No?
100,000.
Aerodynamically. The wheels are 20 inches, I think, or 21. Sobrang laki. Okay, good. You see the inside. You see the inside of the car. Okay, so this is a two-door car. See? Inside, shades, windows, and panels. Okay ma, ito na yung bibiling ko. Hindi na ako maghahanap this one. Kaya lang, yung mga kids, nagsisiksikan sa likod. This is for the boys, no? Actually, siguro pagka ikaw ay single at mayaman, yeah, this is one for you. Okay? Ganda. Ganda ng car. So, let's see the front. Thumbs up for the LC. Dito tayo. So, my choice is this one.
Wow!
Ganda. Medyo malaki lang ako para dito. Siguro usog pa ng konti. Pero ganda. I like the white one. Ano mo lang sa display ko ah. So one more car is this one. Okay. The NX. Actually maganda siya kasi compact lang siya. It looks like an SUV from afar. So here you go. See? Looks like an SUV pero compact. The inside, of course, tires, oh, good. The inside, panels, there you go. Okay, I'll try it out. Okay, see. So these are the okay, yun mo display. Let's see kung anong door ang open. Just like all the Lexus, meron silang analog clock inside. So tama yung time. 4 minutes past 11:30. So controls, very nice console. Okay. Display, back seats are spacious enough, maluwag naman, so maganda. So this car is actually nice. Pwede siyang pang family, pwede siyang pang soloist pagka ikaw ay gagala, no? It's a nice car. Of course, lahat ng Lexus nice price din. Kaya okay, This one. Ayos. Order na ako. This one. Uwi na. Kaya lang, ako lang sasakay dyan. Tapos, tuwing linggo lang magagamit. Hindi pwedeng araw-araw siguro. Nadadali. So, hello. I'm still here at Lexus BGC. And this is actually the best car in the showcase nila. So, we're lucky enough to be here and to feature them. At naka-receive tayo ng free gift from Lexus. So, show you. It's a cup. Yeah, I like it. No? Ganda. Bagay na bagay pag nina-drive ko yung bago kong kotse. Right? Okay. So, see you guys. See my videos next time. Paalam.